Hello everyone! Ever wondered how to spend those coins on AliExpress? Let's dive right in. First, open up that web browser of yours and head straight to aliexpress.com. Then, ensure you're signed into your account. Notice the coins option on the homepage. Click on it. Now, inside the coins section, you'll spot your current coin balance. Low on coins, simply hit collect to grab some. Then, as you scroll below, you'll come across products offering discounts when you spend your coins. Now, when you find an item you fancy, give it a click. Many items offer an extra percentage off, like an enticing 5%, which will be discounted with your coins. Then, if your coin balance covers the product's discount, all you've got to do is click to Buy Now. Here's the best part. AliExpress does the heavy lifting. Just proceed with your purchase, and the platform handles the coin discount automatically. So, essentially, your coin translates to instant savings, making every purchase a little sweeter. Remember, these coins are more than just discounts. They can unlock special deals, so always keep an eye on them. And there you have it, a smooth journey through maximizing your AliExpress coin benefits. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye-bye!